Thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. A view from our friends at Luther Family Ford. Beautiful blue skies, a little sunshine, and temperatures that tried to get to near zero today in the FM area, but we stayed below zero. I want to start out with a national map, and our cold air has dove all the way down to the Gulf of Mexico. No kidding, I did see some people out in shorts this weekend, and wind chills were 40 to 50 below. So up here, say north of this line, Hutch says no shorts, get a coat out. It's still that cold. But down south, they're actually telling people in places like Oklahoma and Texas to just stay home. And remember, don't heat your home with your barbecue. So things there, extremely cold. 14 in Dallas right now. More on this in a second. Right now out at Hector, we have 3 below zero, so we're down a degree. Our wind direction, take a look at this with me. The S, that means southerly winds. We haven't seen that for an awful long time. And that usually means warmer air is going to be returning to the valley. It's just going to take some time because even the air to the south of us is cold. And we have wind chills still around 21 below thanks to the fact that it's a little on the breezy side out there from that southerly direction at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Current temperatures, the black line is the 0 degree line. To the left of that line, we are above zero in places like Jamestown and the Devil's Lake Basin. Look at Grand Forks, 3 degrees above. Hallock, 3 degrees above. Come to this side of the line with us here in Fargo and Thief River Falls, and it's still on the chilly side. And temperatures this morning were 30 to 40 below in central parts of Minnesota. So the coldest of the cold Arctic air is slowly sliding to the east. The south winds are slowly scrubbing away the molasses air mass that's over us. Wind chills between 10 and 25 below as you head outdoors this late afternoon and evening. Another look at temperatures across the nation. Air temperature, there's the 0 degree line, and it is heading southward. We still have some very warm air, so you can imagine where these air masses clash, we have some unsettled weather. This is extremely impressive. Visible satellite helps us see where there's white like clouds, and the moving white here, cloud cover, strong storms working through the southeast. The white from here where the skies are blue all the way down into Texas is snowpack. Can you believe how far south we can see the snow from space in places like Dallas, Frisco, and in Houston? There are winter storm warnings everywhere. You see the reds there as far south as the Gulf of Mexico, and wind chill warnings extend that far south as well as our cold weather continues its trek southward. And here's the satellite and the radar as we see strong to severe storms in places like Georgia and the panhandle of Florida, and that big heavy snow system now moving through the Ohio River Valley on its way to the northern Great Lakes as we head through the week. More snow for our southern neighbors. For us, we're going to see a moderation. Tonight, it begins. Southeast winds continue. We're going to have temperatures that get down coldest in our central Minnesota counties, 20 to 35 below again. The rest of us will not be as brutally cold. We're talking 15 to 20 below for many of us, with wind chills around 30 to 35 below. So little improvement, but still downright dangerous. Midday temperatures, there's the black line. We're starting to warm up, and a few more of us will have a shot at zero or just above for our afternoon. Temperatures fall again tomorrow night, but once again, not as cold as our trend towards warmer weather continues. 18 below to start your day in the FM area. We warm up to 2 above zero, so we're going to bounce to above zero, the warmest temperature we've had here in about 11 days, believe it or not, in Fargo. Tomorrow night, cool, but not as cold. Hometown forecast, all of us a few degrees from zero, and some of us right on the 0 degree mark. Here's a look at a cold scene for sure. Ice crystals in the sky, the sun. Thanks, Aaron, for uploading your photo. Now let's talk about digits, shall we? Cold mornings, particularly on Wednesday, as we have growing pains. We cannot rule out a few flurries of snow, but look at these afternoon temperatures approaching 20 Thursday. Now, as we go into the weekend, it does look very mild. Temperatures between 20 and 30 degrees, maybe even a little warmer, and sometimes with the growing pains of warming up, we get a chance of some snow, Stacy. So we'll keep you apprised of that as we all get ready for a Bison game. Next week, probably a better chance of a little bit of snow here in the valley.
I mean, we'll take a little bit of snow if that's what it takes to get out of this. It's been so long, Hutch.
Keep it measured. It has been a long haul.
That is fantastic news. Thanks so much.
You bet.